How to manage photo quality settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage photo quality settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and after you click settings here you will find media. Click on it, and as you see here you can find and manage photo quality settings. You can make it medium or low and high. You can manage anything you want and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.